Mining Disrupt 2023 coverage is brought to you by our sponsors, Dynex Coin, Hivon, Conceal Network, Alephium, Jingle Mining, Yeti Audits, Deep Miners Pool, The Beginner's Block, Dogelord Coffee, and WhatToMine.com. Check out our sponsors linked in this video's description.
So Nim actually Nemesis uses these when he was at the ASIC Repair School to help repair ASICs.
Nice.
So these are really cool. And are you the one that builds these?
I didn't make those. This is the one I made.
Okay.
I made it out of an Arduino. So this is really good though. I don't like that it requires Wi-Fi. That's my biggest complaint. But the programming is super good on it.
Right.
What, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's funny that it's so expensive, but this is the chip it uses, and it's $10.
ESP, that's
The
so...
programming is impressive. So,
Got to pay for that programming.
yeah, that's right.
Yeah, we were walking by and I smelt it and he said something. He was like, oh, he's soldering anything.
Yeah.
What are you fixing? What are you working on?
I'm trying to make more of these things. I've got a bunch of parts to put them together, so I'm just kind of putting them together here.
Yeah, what are you...
Selling them.
Okay.
What does one of these normally run?
I'm selling them for $400.
$400, and they work with any model Antminer?
Right now, S9 through the newest S19.
Okay.
A couple things I need to figure out, and it's work in progress always.
Right.
This one can, if I add it, I can update things. So if I figure out more stuff, I can make an update.
Right. Do these work with any What's miners or anything like that, or is it strictly Antminer?
The test works exactly the same as What's Miner, but this chip can't quite do the speed it needs to. So I need to use this chip, and I haven't quite done it yet.
Okay.
But it's on the to-do list.
I don't think What's Miner is as popular as the Bitmain.
It depends who you talk to.
I know, right?
It might be
I like What's Miner, but a lot of the big farms are running Bitmain or what's the other one? Avalon?
Avalon.
Avalon.
Yeah, the newer Avalon.
The newer Avalons, yeah, not the older ones.
Yeah, no one wants the older
Nobody
ones.
wants the old ones.
It's too much power.
Sorry, did I say that out loud? My bad. Cool stuff. You gonna be out here tomorrow?
Yep.
All right, good deal. You gonna try it? You want one? You want one?
Oh no, I'm good. I would love it, but I'm not a repair guy.
This chip is very popular too.
I'm a software guy. I'm not a hardware kind of guy.
Nice. Hit the like, guys.